Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an exciting haul from Smytten where I redeemed 5 amazing products for just 664 coins. So let's dive right in. This is the Million Colors Naked Eye 24-hour waterproof mascara worth rupees 149. I got it for just 125 coins. Let's see how it looks on the lashes. As you can see, it instantly lifts and darkens the lashes and it's totally smudge proof. Next is this Fruity Delight 4711 white peach and coriander perfume. Such a refreshing blend worth rupees 199. I redeemed for just 40 coins. This one's a classy men's fragrance, Lolita Lampica Homme, perfect for gifting or trial use. I got this for 100 coins. Polo Woods Green by the Man Company, a refreshing green scent worth rupees 149. I redeemed it for just 100 coins. And this is my favorite Just Herbs Cooling Body Wash with mint and activated charcoal. Just look at the rich lather. It gives a cooling effect, perfect for summers. Full size 300 ml bottle worth rupees 395. Got it for just 299 coins. So here's everything I got for just 664 coins on Smytten. Totally worth it. If you love trying mini products before buying full size, Smytten is a great place to explore. You can download the Smytten app now using the link in the description and enter my referral code to get free trial points instantly. Like, share and subscribe for more budget-friendly hauls and honest reviews. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.